It's a 2014 Cadillac CTS sedan. With inspirational beauty, intelligence, and purpose, this CTS makes a statement in every element of its design. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, active grille shutters, V6 engine, sport suspension, voice activation, heated steering wheel, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection remarks, the Cadillac CTS continues to compete with the best from Mercedes-Benz and BMW with a distinctly American approach, boasting some of the top tech features in its class. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.